There we go. We're back now. I had a storage issue like always. So, get this to cooking real good. And now, to add my cottage cheese. This is almost a whole container of cottage cheese, one of the big ones. It's going to look like that. I'm going to add all of that in. Because this is a container that is almost out of date. I will not be able to eat all of that in one sitting. Now, get that stirred in real good. And yes, I know it is really loose, but don't worry, it'll all come together. Because we are going to use ground flaxseed as a thickener. Now, yes, I could use cornstarch or I could use flour, but I don't like the flavor of cornstarch. I am one of those people who can taste cornstarch, and I don't like cornstarch. And I don't want to use flour because, well, we don't need the extra carbs, because this will eventually go on pasta. And flaxseed is a good source of fiber. So that's how you can get fiber down, people. So it's going to take it a little bit to get the temperature back up. It's already started smoking. I don't know if you can see that, but I can. So what I did was I took about a half a cup of water and that container of cottage cheese, and I put it in the blender, blended it up. So it is turkey meat, a can of tomatoes, a little bit of water, and cottage cheese. And when I get ready to thicken it, it's going to be roughly a quarter of a cup of flaxseed. because I don't really use a lot of flaxseed in it. But at the same time, it is. That tomato still had its skin. And remember, it is cheese, so it will burn if you're not paying attention. And so all I'll have to do after this is just heat it up. Well, I'll be stuffing those squashes, so I'll just heat it up in the toaster oven. And that way I'll have a nice little brown crust on top. And yes, you probably would have to work a few lumps out of it. That's okay. hate the loud of that washer. That thing is loud. And if you need more, you can add more. But if you add too much, all you have to do is just add a little bit of water to it and it'll loosen it up. Or you can add a little bit of broth, whichever you prefer. Good sized pieces of meat. So there we are. Now, if you're one of those people who has texture issues, yeah, flaxseed is not the best thing because it does give a lot of texture. See how that's already started thickening up? So now that is ready. So all I have to do is just turn it off, let it cool, and then when time comes, I'll stuff my squash and put it back in the toaster oven and bake it a little. So that's all it is. Now, if you want to add some like bell pepper or other stuff to it, you can. But thankfully, she started eating onion, so I can add onion to stuff. She does not like bell pepper, but of course, it is a desired taste. It does have a strong flavor. So, yes, there it is. So now I just have to let it cool so I can stick it in containers and have it for later, as well as for supper. So there we are.